What will the EU's budget look like for the next financial period, that's post-Brexit? When the UK leaves, a hole of between 12 and 15 billion euros a year will have to be plugged. So, what's the plan?
Alle Programme gewisse Kürzungen akzeptieren müssen. Auch die beiden großen Programme, Kohäsion und Agrarpolitik sowie ländlicher Raum.
The EU can only spend a budget of up to 1% of the bloc's gross national income. Scrapping the cap means more money in the pot. It also means net contributors will have to shell out more. Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker said 1% is the price of coffee for the taxpayer.
Europa ist mehr wert als eine Tasse Kaffee pro Tag.
There will be cuts across the board, including agricultural subsidies, which get around 40% of the EU's budget. France, a farming heavyweight and traditionally tough opponent on this subject, has signaled that it may be open to compromise. New priorities like migration, defense and border control will get an earmarked budget rather than ad hoc money taken from other areas. 2 programs will be exempted from any cuts: Erasmus+, the student exchange program, and Horizon Post-2020 focused on research. The rebate involves a complex calculation based on the premise that countries like the UK, Germany, Austria and Denmark make large contributions without getting much back. Oettinger wants this scrapped. It's straightforward: taxing the use of plastics. How much would that cost consumers? Would there be exemptions? That's all up for discussion. Companies that use less than their emissions quota can sell these carbon credits via the emissions trading system, or ETS. Income from that currently goes to the national budget. Oettinger wants it to go to the EU budget.